Hello friends, this is Mawlynnong, the cleanest village of Asia. You can see a few tourists are walking. Once you enter the cleanest village, you have to walk. No car or transport is allowed inside cleanest village, okay? Look, you cannot see a small garbage or plastic. This is why this is the cleanest village. No dirty things, no plastic, no garbages. It's clean, totally clean. View. Nothing disposed, no garbage, no plastic bag,